you ever been at a packed event, surrounded by good vibes, only to find yourself desperate to leave after just 10 minutes? It's not that the party was bad or you disliked the people. It's because something deep inside you felt utterly drained. You feel tired, burdened, perhaps even anxious for no apparent reason. Many might label you an introvert or antisocial, but those are just surface-level descriptions. The truth is, there's something incredibly intricate and powerful happening in your brain, a sign of strength often misunderstood. You don't hate people, your brain simply processes the world in a far higher resolution. Let's uncover why hating crowds is actually a psychological superpower. This isn't a flaw, but a unique sensory calibration. Point 1. Sensory processing sensitivity. For most people, the ambient noise in a bustling coffee shop or the roar at a concert is just background noise. They can filter it out. But for your brain, it's a chaotic symphony, an orchestral assault without a conductor. Your brain doesn't filter, it absorbs. You pick up every single detail, the clinking of a spoon from a table across the room, the flickering neon light, overlapping conversations from multiple groups, even the overpowering scent of perfume from a passerby. This isn't your imagination. Scientifically, this phenomenon is called sensory processing sensitivity, SPS, a concept introduced by psychologist Dr. Elaine Aron, often describing highly sensitive persons, HSPs. It means your nervous system is wired to process sensory information more deeply and intensely. You're like a highly sensitive antenna, detecting dangers and patterns that others miss, a survival skill from ancient times. Your brain is constantly scanning the environment, searching for meaning, and this requires immense cognitive energy. Point 2. Acute emotional detector and high emotional intelligence. Beyond just sounds and sights, you are also incredibly attuned to social dynamics and emotions. In a crowded place where everyone carries their own energy and feelings, you become like a sponge. You can sense the tension behind a seemingly cheerful smile or the boredom beneath forced small talk. This is a sign of very high emotional intelligence. Research suggests individuals with SPS tend to be more empathetic and intuitive. They excel at reading nonverbal cues, which ironically makes them exhausted by fakeness or superficial interactions. You might feel that other people's energies are like waves constantly crashing over you, draining your mental stamina. You don't dislike social interaction, you crave quality over quantity. You'd much prefer one deep, honest conversation with someone you trust rather than 100 shallow exchanges at a noisy party. Point 3. The brain's chemical shift, dopamine versus acetylcholine. There's also a fascinating neurochemical explanation. Our brains use various neurotransmitters to regulate mood and behavior. Extroverts, for instance, often get a boost and feel invigorated by dopamine, a chemical released when they seek sensation and social interaction in crowds. However, research suggests that highly sensitive individuals tend to have more sensitive dopamine pathways. This means that excessive dopamine stimulation, like that found in crowded environments, can actually make them feel overwhelmed, anxious, or overstimulated rather than pleasurable. Your brain instead prefers acetylcholine, a chemical that brings feelings of calm, focus, and contentment when you engage in activities requiring concentration and introspection, such as reading, writing, meditating, or having deep, meaningful conversations. So when you seek quiet, you're actually helping your brain achieve its chemical balance. You're not lonely, you're recharging your nervous system. Point 4. Recognizing that you have high sensory processing sensitivity isn't an excuse for isolation, but rather a key to understanding and honoring your own needs. This means you need to manage your energy boundaries more wisely. Perhaps you need fewer intense social events, or to schedule quiet time after exposure to crowds. Learning to say no without guilt is a vital skill. It also means seeking out supportive environments and enriching interactions rather than draining ones. Remember, you are a keen observer, a good listener, and a deep thinker. These qualities are incredibly valuable and needed in a world that is often too loud and superficial. It's about crafting a lifestyle that aligns with your brain's unique wiring rather than forcing yourself to conform to others' expectations. So the next time someone asks, "Why aren't you coming?" or you feel guilty for wanting to leave a party early, remember you are not broken. You are wired for depth, sensitivity, and reflective thought in a world obsessed with speed and noise. Your strength lies in your ability to experience the world more intensely, and that is a gift, not a curse. Let your sensitivity be your compass, not a burden. Do you resonate with this deep-seated feeling? Have you often felt overwhelmed in crowds and are only now understanding why? Share your experiences in the comments below. And if this video resonated with you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more psychological explorations that will help you better understand yourself. See you in the next video, in quiet or in crowds. The choice is yours.